Hello, Starbizers! Welcome back to your daily dose of showbiz buzz. Let's dive right in because Andrea Berriantes just made headlines again. This time confirming her romance with athlete and internet personality Panky Capistrano. In her interview with Karen Davila, Andrea openly admitted she's in a relationship with Capistrano, saying, "Wala naman siyang bago. It's just a normal relationship for me. Wala akong ganung levels." She emphasized that despite being a celebrity, she sees her love life as just like anyone else's. Photos of her with Panky appeared on screen, sealing the confirmation. But here's the kicker. Andrea also shut down the "boy crazy" tag. She clarified, "There's more to life than just boys and relationships. After Richie, almost 2 years akong walang boyfriend." That's right. She went through a long single phase, proving she's not always in a relationship as people assume. She even laughed with Karen Davila when she admitted, "Of course, gusto rin natin ng love. Pero maganda din po kasi ako." A confident queen moment right there. Andrea explained that while she tried dating, none were serious, and she's learned to value herself more. She said, "Wala akong tinitingnan din at all. Hindi po ako boy crazy. I can live without them." That's a strong statement, showing growth and maturity after her past relationship with Richie Rivero, who's now being linked to Juliana Gomez. And let's not forget, mga ka-Starbiz, Andrea's journey reflects a bigger message about young stars in the limelight. She's showing that it's possible to balance fame, personal growth, and love without letting the pressure of public opinion define her. That's a refreshing take in an industry where relationships often become headlines more than the actual work of the artist. Now, Starbizers, what's our take? Andrea's honesty is refreshing. In a world where celebs often hide their relationships or play coy, she's embracing normalcy and self-awareness. Her confidence in saying she's pretty and deserves love might sound bold, but it's also empowering. It's nice to see her balance romance with independence, something many fans can learn from. Now, Starbizers, what do you think? Is Andrea setting a good example by showing that love is important but not everything? Or do you feel celebrities should keep their relationships more private? Drop your thoughts. We'd love to hear them. And that's it for today's Fun Buzz, mga ka-Starbiz. Stay tuned for more showbiz updates. And remember, in the world of stars, there's always more sparkle to share.
Ano po kasi, maganda din po kasi ako.
I
Lagi
love
po,
it.